From the very beginning, make it your practice to say to every harsh impression that you are an impression and not at all what you appear to be. Next, examine and test it by the rules you pose, the first and the greatest of which is this: whether it belongs to the things in our control or not in our control. And if the latter, be prepared to respond, it is nothing to me. So the things that are not in our control, things that are not in our control, are the things that we don't need to respond to. The things that are in our control are not our control. If the latter, be prepared to respond, it is nothing to me. Oh, baby. Are you slouching? Should Daddy maybe carry you while he films this video? I don't know, you're doing pretty good. There's my baby. Oh, she's falling. So today's question. Oh, baby. Little one. Are you going to start crawling? No, you probably don't like that. Okay, Daddy's going to hold you. Today's question. Can I stop thinking I already know and learn something else here? So the question, can I stop thinking that I know everything and learn something else here? I feel like that kind of goes against the quote that I just read, because like to learn something else, well, I guess to learn something else is to be in control. But if we realize that it's something we're not in control of, Epictetus is saying to say that it's nothing to you. And so if it's nothing to you, then do you even need to spend time thinking that you need to know more about it? Or is taking control on the matter acknowledging that you are going to learn more? I think it's probably that if I'm going to acknowledge that it means nothing to me, it's because I don't even want to concern myself with learning more about it. So I guess what would be something that I wouldn't even want to concern myself learning more about? I don't know. So what am I not in control that I can say it means nothing to me? I mean, so right now, Mara's sneezing. She means everything to me, but the fact that she's sneezing means nothing to me. If she's crying because she means so much to me, that hurts me, but the pressure of having to control her and stop her from crying, does that mean nothing to me? I mean, I want her to stop crying, but I also will love her no matter what. And so I think the crying in that instance means nothing to me because I still love her, and that's what means something to me. And so the crying and the chaos of the situation can make me angry, but if her crying means nothing to me, but my love for her means something to me, I can focus on the love because that means something to me. Whereas I don't have to focus on the crying because that means nothing to me. I love you, baby. We'll call that good.